Toyota is going to replace the entire engine. 4 Tundras built between November 2021 and February 2023, and Lexus LX 600S built between July 2021 and November 2022 free of charge. Earlier this year, Toyota discovered a defect affecting the twin-turbocharged V6 engines in its 2022 and 2023 Tundra and Lexus LX models and announced a recall for approximately 102,092 vehicles. This figure is almost half the sale in 2023. The issue stems from potential machining debris that wasn't completely cleaned during the manufacturing process, which can lead to severe engine problems including knocking, rough running, or catastrophic engine failure. Loss of power at high speeds poses a significant safety risk. Both the Tundra and LX underwent significant redesigns for the 2022 model year, and both models have adopted a twin-turbo V6 engine, replacing the previously used naturally aspirated V8 options. Now it is common to see people expressing disappointment with the new turbo engine and longing for the reliability and durability of the previous V8 engines on social media and forums. The Tundra also offers a hybrid variant of this V6 powertrain. Toyota has also incorporated this same V6 engine into the Sequoia SUV, redesigned for the 2023 model year. However, unlike the Tundra, the Sequoia exclusively features the hybrid version of this engine. There is a rumor that other Toyota models powered with this engine might also be affected as per owners complain here and there. Of course, all engines are manufactured at the same facility in the US and Japan. So, who knows, we will see. Reason why hybrids aren't recalled is because they can keep driving after the engine fails due to the electric motor picking up the slack, not because they're exempted from actual engine failure. If engine failure occurs on a hybrid vehicle, the vehicle continues to have some motive power for limited distances and the driver receives a continuous audible and visual warning message. Toyota have mentioned that, after multiple field and dealer reports, they have implemented improved cleaning processes at its engine manufacturing plants that manufacture these engines. At the time of submission to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration regarding the issue, Toyota estimated that approximately 1% of affected vehicles would experience the defect. It's important to note that this figure was mandated by NHTSA's requirement for an integer percentage value in Section 5 of its portal and does not represent a precise percentage of affected vehicles. Now, an updated statement says Toyota will replace the engine, for all involved vehicles, with a brand new one at no charge to owners. The replacement will be made for 102,092 vehicles in the U.S., which covers 98,568 Tundras and 3,054 LX 600s. Owners will get a loaner car or rental during the replacement process. They have stated that they will start notifying owners by the end of July, which is already due. So, keep an eye on your mail if you are the owner of the involved Tundra, and register for remedy as soon as possible. Don't fool yourself by thinking to drive the vehicle to the last minute without registering and getting new engine. Toyota might impose some mileage or time restrictions on the recall, and wait times for engine replacements could be extremely lengthy. Toyota has always been a great company, but this is going to be an economic tsunami that should have never happened. Let's make a rough estimate of their eye-watering loss. Toyota has estimated that replacing the affected engine component will take between 13 and 21 hours. To simplify our calculations, let's average this time frame to 17 hours per vehicle. Given a dealership labor rate of $150 per hour, the labor cost for each replacement would be $2,550. Assuming a cost of $5,000 for new 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, the total estimated cost to repair a single vehicle is $7,550. It's unlikely that all 102,092 affected vehicle owners will immediately bring their cars to dealerships for repairs. However, we can anticipate a significant number seeking replacements. Conservatively estimating that 75% of owners will require dealership service, we're looking at approximately 77,000 vehicles needing repairs. Of course, any recalled vehicles currently in dealership inventory will need to be repaired before sale, adding to the overall repair workload. Multiplying the estimated repair cost per vehicle by the projected number of vehicles requiring service, we arrive at a total potential repair cost of $581 million. Let's estimate the salvage value of the removed engines to be $1,500, a price a little bit higher than common used engine cost on eBay USA. For 77,000 pieces, this would be $115 million. Subtracting this from the replacement cost, we get $466 million. This represents a substantial financial burden on Toyota. It is worth mentioning that this recall is just one of several issues plaguing Toyota recently. The automaker has faced a string of recalls affecting some of its newest models, including the Grand Highlander, Lexus TX, and Prius. These setbacks have created a challenging period for Toyota. This news is undoubtedly disappointing for Tundra and LX owners. Furthermore, we don't know what will happen to warranty coverage after engine replacement. But it is encouraging to see Toyota acknowledging the issue and offering a complete engine replacement as a solution. This incident with Toyota underscores the critical importance of deburring and machining processes, not just for the automotive industry, but for all manufacturing sectors. We'll keep a close eye on this developing story and provide updates as more information becomes available. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel